Hey everybody, this is a little unusual for me to be sort of doing this. I am filming this on my phone. I thought I would actually just sort of come to the park and it'd be nice and quiet, but I have a ton of people. It's huge. It's ridiculously busy here. So if you hear some weird noises or whatever, cars and whatever passing, forgive me. But just wanted to very briefly sort of just kind of say where I've been and what I've been doing. For the last couple of months, I have not been posting, and the reason is that at first I was going to upgrade my camera, but then the moment that I sold it, my work just completely fell apart. I wasn't able to do, there was just no work. I'm a freelance contractor, and so there was nothing. Everything dried up on me, and it was tough. It was tough. It's getting a little bit better. Things are looking brighter, but the reason is that I just haven't been able to think about it. I've just had to think about making sure that I had a roof over my head and food. Um, so anyway, um, it's going to take me a little bit. I've been working on designs. I've been working on some miscellaneous stuff, the stuff that I couldn't be filming. I was finally able to get rid of some of my collectibles that I've been wanting to sell for a while, which is great because this has actually finally given me the opportunity to get my camera, or at least replace my camera. Uh, my mind has been sort of singularly focused, and I'm hoping to really be able to get to all of the stuff I've been wanting to get to. So there we go. So sorry for the bad framing, sorry for the wobbling, and I'll see you on the next video.